So code P006 and 7, this is how you check to see if it's your wiring. You check the solenoid first, that was good. So I checked the intake sensors. Now, on the driver's side, I found 4.6 volts in the intake sensor and the output sensor wire. And it should be 40 to 42 ohms. No, 40 to 45 ohms. My apologies. And so what I did was I checked for continuity and everything was good. So I sprayed the computer with some electrical cleaner and just the connector, not inside the computer, guys, just the connectors, and connect it back. And I checked for resistance, and I had 42 resistance on both sides, which tells me that, it was just a little corrosion. It wasn't no induction or anything. But you don't guess with electrical work. You verify, because sometimes you have little nips on the wires and induction happen, and then you have volts in the wire. So you're never too sure. You don't assume. You have to go through and check. And once I did all of that, it was working fine, no stuck.